Welcome to the Daily Wood Technology channel. Here you will experience impressive moments from the wood industry, along with thrilling and dramatic situations from the world of heavy machinery. Are you ready to discover the surprises and excitement that await? Oh my God! Let's watch this slow motion moment. I, along with all the lumberjacks, really don't like to see this happen. But fortunately, everything is still under control. He wasn't injured, and she just had a light fall. Right now, we are witnessing an unsettling scene. An ancient tree has been toppled by a storm, and unfortunately, its landing point is the roof of a family's home. Currently, the cleanup crew is using a specialized crane to handle the situation. However, it's not an easy task, as the tree branches can weigh several tons, and even a slight slip of the crane could cause significant damage.
Sweep it off. I got it.
This is an ancient banyan tree, seemingly hundreds of years old. The small man uses a chainsaw to bring the tree down, making each cut with both precision and decisiveness to prevent the tree from falling uncontrollably. The Varna 394XP chainsaw is one of the most powerful models, designed to tackle large, dense logs. This chainsaw features a high-performance engine paired with a sharp blade that easily cuts through thick wood, a task that would be difficult for ordinary chainsaws. With the Varna 394XP, the powerful engine and sharp blade maintain high performance, but it still requires skilled technique to avoid chain jamming or damaging the blade. Wow, let's listen to the sound of this truly majestic scene. Wow, the Bandit 1680 Beast, a heavy-duty wood grinder. The structure of the Bandit 1680 is incredibly sturdy, capable of withstanding heavy loads, with blades made from ultra-durable alloys, allowing it to shred wood with ease. The Bandit 1680 can process wood of various sizes, from small branches to large tree trunks, without Oh my God, this logging road is absolutely brutal. Just look at the thick, slippery mud caking onto the wheels, layer by layer. It's making everything so much harder. Each turn, each movement is a struggle against the heavy sludge. When the Bell's Super Log Splitter is in action, no log can withstand for more than a few seconds. The unique characteristic of wood is its layered structure, which makes it strong yet easy to split under vertical pressure. Bell's Super Log Splitter takes full advantage of this property, quickly and efficiently splitting even the largest logs. The load on this truck is incredibly heavy, But facing this steep slope is a real challenge. Look at the wheels spinning at high speed, creating intense friction with the road, emitting scorching smoke. And there it is. The tire is starting to peel off, the rubber no longer intact. The strain is just too much for the tires to handle. It's safe to say that the rainy season and slippery roads are always a challenge for any vehicle. This truck isn't equipped with chain tracks, so climbing this slope without enough traction must be incredibly difficult. The truck is emitting black smoke, running at full power, struggling to make it up this steep incline. Curious about how to peel off the bark of a massive tree in just seconds? The Ravor WD1400 is the answer. When the tree is fed into the machine, the rotating blades cut through the outer bark in a spiral motion, quickly stripping off the thick layer without damaging the wood underneath. Since the bark is typically tough and resinous, it requires powerful force and specialized blades to peel it away without harming the wood structure. Oh no, the dust is overwhelming. It seems like it hasn't rained here in a long time. Just look at that truck carrying tons of wood passing by, kicking up a thick cloud of dust, making it impossible to see anything behind it. Oh my God! That's truly a masterpiece, like a performance. The driver is incredibly skilled, navigating the machine with such precision. It's like watching an expert in action. When the Vermeer AX19 starts up, even the toughest branches are turned into wood chips in an instant. The Vermeer AX19's power lies in its grinding mechanism and the high rotational speed of its blades. As the branches come into contact with the blades, they are subjected to tremendous cutting force, quickly breaking down the fiber structure of the wood. Wow, let's watch this machine take down a tree stump. It's amazing how quickly and efficiently it works, so fast and precise, making the whole process look effortless. A machine with the ability to cut multiple trees at once, gathering them into a single pile. It's amazing how efficiently it handles such large-scale work, neatly organizing the trees in no time. This is the Pezzolato TB600, a machine that turns massive logs into manageable pieces in just a few seconds. However, the operator must carefully inspect each log before feeding it into the machine to ensure that no hard objects, like metal or rocks, are mixed in with the wood. These foreign materials could damage the blades or even cause accidents. Automation really is something incredibly accurate. The efficiency and consistency it brings to the process are truly impressive. The SherWood LS 600/200 machine will amaze you as it transforms wood into soft, fluffy wood chips right before your eyes. When a log is fed into the machine, the blades or hammers rotate at high speed, delivering powerful impacts to the wood surface, breaking down its structure and turning it into wood chips. These chips can be used for a variety of purposes. Wow, let's watch the process of turning a log into thin wooden sheets. It's amazing how the wood is transformed step by step into delicate, smooth planks. This is the Drumet WD 200/240/M, a machine that turns hard wooden blocks into beautifully finished products in just a few seconds. When the wood is fed into the machine, the rotating saw blades spin at high speed, generating enough cutting force to slice through the wood without causing cracks or splinters. This is truly the kind of machine every woodworking shop dreams of owning. Oh my God, do you feel like this wood transport truck is tilting and about to flip? The wheels on one side are leaning due to the muddy terrain, making it unstable as it moves. The power of the Posha Smart Cut 700, cutting wood at lightning speed, transforming each tree trunk into a finished product in an instant. The logs are neatly cut, perfectly uniform, and immediately transferred onto the conveyor belt, minimizing the risk of wood jams while ensuring operator safety. Wow! A powerful machine that cuts logs to perfect, precise sizes with just a single pass of the blade. In an instant, we have beautifully sized firewood, ready for the cold winter months, quick, efficient, and without wasting any time. The Comtech Chippo 8010C is a heavy-duty industrial wood chipper designed to handle large, tough logs in just a few seconds. The power and efficiency of the Comtech Chippo 8010C are truly impressive. The high rotational speed and cutting force of its blades ensure that even the hardest and thickest wood is completely shredded. The combination of robotic arm technology and an automated conveyor system allows the machine to operate continuously and efficiently. A tense towing operation on a slippery mountain road, and the truck could lose balance and tip over. This is why a tractor is used to help stabilize the truck. By adjusting the angle and pulling force, the tractor helps alleviate pressure on the truck, ensuring that it doesn't tilt to one side. The UNTLHA PS 1300 is an invaluable tool for woodworking shops and large-scale wood processing projects. Featuring a multi-blade shredding mechanism and a powerful engine, it quickly transforms massive logs into small, fine particles, ready for various applications such as composting, fuel production, or surface mulch. The Logisol B751. Once the log is secured on the saw bed, the saw blade moves along a precise guide, slicing through the wood to produce uniform planks, ideal for timber production or construction. The John Deere 1470G. Equipped with a versatile robotic arm, the machine can automatically cut, strip the bark, and segment the wood in just one seamless process. In California, deep within the majestic redwood forest, delicate yet challenging work is underway. In a fleeting moment, everything seems to stand still. One can see the crack spreading like a spider web across the massive tree trunk before it collapses. This is the moment that holds observers breathless and where a single misstep by the worker can lead to serious consequences. Before felling any tree, the loggers conduct a thorough assessment to consider the long-term benefits for the forest and the survival of the species that depend on it. Such logging practices raise significant questions about forest protection and sustainable management. While it is necessary to control forest density and prevent wildfires, this underscores the importance of utilizing natural resources responsibly and implementing essential mitigation measures, such as reforestation and close monitoring. Wow, two robots designed to resemble humans, dressed in classic attire, are performing the task of logging on a mechanical framework, never needing to rest. Two people are desperately trying to pull the felled tree from falling onto the house. Oh my God. Oh, the weight of the wood on the truck is too much and too high, causing it to completely overturn. A dramatic moment in the forestry industry. The SherWood 880 chainsaw is about to slice through the massive sequoia log, a symbol of nature's ancient power. The cutting force of the SherWood 880, with an impressive power output of 8.6 kilowatts, is more than enough to split even the toughest timber in half. Which MS chainsaw cuts wood the fastest? First, the MS-661. Cutting in 16.1 seconds. Next, the MS-500i. Wow. Cutting in 15 seconds. And finally, the MS-461. Wow, cutting in just 11.1 seconds. Oh no! It looks like the logger misjudged the fall direction, and now the tree has crashed right into the roof. When this massive tree stump challenges the entire forest, the process of removing it begins with the involvement of a John Deere 35G excavator. The machine's bucket slowly approaches the stump, tearing through the soil's layers with tremendous force. The stump is deeply embedded in the ground, as if holding on to a 1,000-year-old secret. The operator must maintain absolute focus, using skilled precision to position the bucket correctly and create leverage to pull out the enormous root system. Removing large stumps is often a crucial step in clearing land for replanting or construction. And remember, the carefulness and expertise of the operator are key to completing the job safely and efficiently. Wow, that's truly a clever and fascinating technique. This is definitely an interesting way to pull out tree stumps. People could give it a try. Oh my God, with this method, everyone might as well drive the truck straight into the car repair garage. The John Deere tractor, equipped with a powerful engine, is preparing to pull out a massive tree stump. The steel cable is taut, stretched like a guitar string. Pulling out such a giant stump is a huge challenge, as it requires overcoming the strong grip of the interwoven roots deeply embedded in the ground. Oh my God! As the tree stump falls, it unexpectedly flips up. This situation is really dangerous. Wow, felling trees at great heights is always a huge challenge for the logger. Oh, luckily, he managed to hold on to the tree and didn't fall. Anyone who has ever cut wood must have faced a situation like this. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chainsaws are stuck in the same channel. What a twist of fate for that guy.
Yeah.
When nature rebels right in the heart of the city, under the force of the wind, the ancient tree with its deep, sprawling roots tears apart the pavement, breaking the bricks wide open. Wow, this is truly impressive. It's a homemade light-duty vehicle that can unload these logs from the truck with perfect precision. Oh my God. Wow. It's truly a visual treat watching this tree felling in action. Oh, an excavator is trying to push the tree to fall forward. Oh my God. Stormy forces of nature have uprooted the tree. Oh, the dry tree has fallen onto the house.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Was hab ich dir gesagt? Das geht schief.
Oh, a crane truck is lifting a huge log to move it to another location. Oh my God, but it seems like the ropes aren't secured properly. Oh no, the tree has fallen and pulled the excavator down with it. This is the Holzspalten mit Krippen C/F 22 Pro, equipped with a blade ready to enter the core of a large log. It operates on the principle of using powerful hydraulic pressure to drive the sharp blade down into the wood. Under this intense force, the fibers of the wood are split and snapped apart, quickly and efficiently creating smaller logs. The truck is loaded with wood, long, heavy, and massive logs facing a narrow bridge. Will the driver have the skill to navigate the dangerous 90-degree turn? With exceptional skill, the driver's steady hands expertly steer the wheel, maneuvering with both caution and confidence, inching their way through this high-stakes challenge. Oh my God. I wonder how long this truck has been stuck here. Oh, the driver is truly clever. Thanks to the lift system on the truck bed, the logs were securely held in place, preventing them from falling off when going down such a steep ledge. Wow, the large timber transport truck is in the process of loading at the deep forest. The massive logs, weighing tons, are being carefully and precisely lifted. The timber transportation from the forest requires seamless coordination between machinery and human expertise. However, it's crucial to ensure that sustainable practices are followed and that the forest ecosystem is not overly harmed during the process. Wow, helicopters and giant saws. Have you ever seen a helicopter cutting down trees? This scene will amaze you. These saw blades are linked in a long chain, suspended beneath the helicopter, and can rotate at extremely high speeds, allowing them to slice through thick branches without obstruction. This technique minimizes risk for tree workers and provides a safe and cost-effective solution for managing vegetation in hard-to-reach areas. Oh, a fallen tree can be caused by strong winds and storms, landing on power lines by the riverside. A helicopter is trying to cut it down and move it to another location. Wow, that giant circular saw blade. This is a specialized arm designed to cut massive logs. A stump removal machine is moving to a new location. So quick and convenient. Oh my God, one of the front wheels just fell off. Oh, a truck loaded with wood is going up a slippery slope. It's quite challenging. The engine is smoking heavily. We are watching a professional logger make a crucial cut on a giant tree trunk. Felling a large tree is a highly calculated process that requires precision to ensure the safety of the workers and the surrounding environment. The logger will begin by making a V-shaped notch cut, also known as a face cut, to direct the tree's fall in the desired direction. Then they will perform a back cut, creating pressure that will push the tree toward the notch. This entire process demands skill and an understanding of wood structure, wind direction, and other terrain factors. In Northway Fields, this machine can handle tons of yard waste in an instant. A crane or conveyor system feeds the material into the machine, where the blades shred it into small pieces, transforming it into mulch. This mulch not only recycles waste into useful products, but also creates a natural resource for improving soil and protecting the environment. Imagine having a giant steel monster that devours wood. That's exactly the feeling you get when witnessing this shredder in action. The technology behind this machine features not only sharp blades, but also an intelligent control system that optimizes speed and precision. This allows the shredder to process tons of material without becoming overloaded, saving both time and resources. This giant screw has the power to crush and break apart even the most stubborn logs. Are you ready? As the screw presses into the wood surface, the rotational force is transmitted into the core, causing the wood to crack and split. This technology makes the separation of wood much more efficient than traditional methods or using an axe. Imagine a colossal steel worm with sharp teeth biting into a tree trunk, and within seconds the entire log splinters apart like peeling a banana. Watch as a stubborn tree is pulled up from the ground by the power of a robust tractor. When the pulling force is strong enough to overcome the grip of the tree's roots in the soil, the tree will be uprooted. Wow, the truck loaded with tons of wood is trying to navigate through the flooded road. This industrial machine doesn't just cut wood, it tears apart each log with powerful, hurricane-like force. The operator attaches the blade to the machine, and this heavy yet agile equipment splits large trunks into many smaller pieces. Wood splitters are commonly used in the forestry and wood processing industries. saving time and effort compared to traditional manual methods. The Spalt-Fast lift from Basting is preparing to process a log with a diameter of 1 meter. The Spalt-Fast lift is a modern wood splitter mounted on a tractor, designed specifically for handling large diameter logs like this. It uses a powerful hydraulic press mechanism to generate significant force, allowing for quick and efficient wood separation. With just the push of a button, the log is split into smaller pieces, which fall neatly into place under the strong pressure. Watch the Bandit 15 XP machine gobble up those massive branches in an instant. The Bandit 15 XP chipper is a powerful industrial device designed for the quick and efficient processing of large branches. Its robust engine system and automatic feed mechanism allow for continuous chipping without interruption, optimizing work performance. It's fascinating to see those thick branches being consumed by the machine as if it were a monster. The machine operates smoothly and powerfully, turning dense foliage into fine wood mulch. This is no simple journey. Transporting tons of wood through rugged terrain is an extremely challenging and dangerous task that requires sophisticated driving skills and caution. With one vehicle pulling from the front and another pushing from the back, this massive truck loaded with wood can navigate the steep and slippery forest road. It's an astonishing sight as the port is packed with logs being loaded onto cargo ships. This is a massive timber loading operation. The process of loading wood onto cargo ships at seaports is an essential part of the wood export industry. Industrial cranes can lift hundreds of tons of wood each day, thanks to their sturdy design and superior mechanical strength. The long crane arms can extend far and rotate flexibly to place the wood in the right position on the ship, optimizing storage space and ensuring safe transportation. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up with exciting videos every day.